All right, so this is my final project, and I chose Marvel App as my platform to creating it. And so these are my 4 pages that I've used, and my icon is this cursive H right here. So let's go to play mode and see how it actually interacts with the consumer. So this is the home screen, and it contains 3 of my features: the stud finder, the leveler, and then the AR feature. So starting with stud finder, we'll get into that. Basically just a picture of a stud finder, and there's a detect button that will use the magnetometer on the back of the iPhone, which is actually located right here underneath the camera. So this feature will actually utilize the magnetometer to enable the consumer to find the stud behind the wall. So that's the first feature right there. And then there's a little home button to go back to other features. And the second one is a leveler. So basically the consumer will just need to place this phone on top of their object that they nailed to the wall. And this number right here will output whether it is crooked or if it is straight or not. So that will let the consumer know if it's an optimal place and if it looks good to other people. So once again, the home button at the bottom right goes back to the 3 features. And then we get to the last feature, which is the augmented reality feature, the AR feature. So this feature basically prompts the consumer to take a picture of whatever object they want to hang up on the wall, and then tells them to take a picture of the wall. So after it does that, it will output an image of what that object actually looks like on the wall. So this feature is useful since it will eliminate the need for the consumer to actually start nailing holes and messing up their wall, and it will show them if they actually even want that object up on the wall. So I thought that was pretty neat right there. And then once again, you have the home button embedded into it. So that is basically a mock-up or my final project in Marvel App. So I think that this app will actually benefit a lot of the do-it-yourself home improvers. And through my research, I actually found that around 70% of Americans actually prefer to do it themselves and do their own improvements around the house. So I think that my app will actually create value to them since they already want to spend less money and do it themselves. So why not use a free app on the market that gives you a stud finder and a leveler and an additional AR feature instead of actually going out and buying a stud finder and a leveler. So I actually feel like it's more optimal for the consumer. And yeah, this is basically my final project, the Anger app. Thank you.